Ever let a pile of unopened bills sit on the counter? Or actively avoided checking your bank account balance? You're not alone. Nearly half the population is financially disengaged. This isn't just laziness. It's a deep-seated psychological phenomenon called financial avoidance. Our brains often treat financial threats, like an overdue bill, the same way they treat physical danger, triggering a fight or flight response. And for many, the easiest response is flight, just avoiding it. This avoidance is fueled by a cocktail of emotions and mental shortcuts. Fear is a huge one. Fear of making mistakes, of being judged, of confronting a reality you don't want to see. This can lead to decision paralysis, where doing nothing feels safer than doing the wrong thing. Then there's shame. If you're in debt or feel you've made bad choices, the guilt can be so overwhelming that looking away feels like the only option. And for some, spending itself is a coping mechanism, a temporary high to escape a low mood. Our brains also play tricks on us. A powerful cognitive bias called present bias makes us crave immediate gratification. That dinner out tonight feels much more real and rewarding than some vague retirement fund decades from now. We might also suffer from optimism bias, a nagging belief that things will just work themselves out, so there's no urgency to plan. These aren't character flaws, they're hardwired mental shortcuts. But the relief from avoidance is temporary. It creates a vicious cycle. The longer you ignore a problem, the bigger it gets, which in turn creates more stress and more reason to avoid it. The link is undeniable. People with mental health challenges are 3.5 times more likely to be in problem debt. The financial stress worsens mental health, and poor mental health makes it harder to manage money. It's a downward spiral. Breaking it doesn't start with a spreadsheet. It starts with understanding that your financial behavior isn't about numbers. It's about your brain's relationship with fear, hope, and the future.